Okay, today is officially hat day. So today is Thursday. Usually as it gets closer to Friday, I kind of just throw everything together and don't really have time or even care to do my hair. And I usually would just put on a hat by now. So usually Thursdays are like my hat days. I'm really hoping that it doesn't affect the twist out, because it's still pretty much going strong. Like, it's still doing well, I would say. So I'm gonna put a little bit of oil on the ends still. Okay, so my trick usually is I'll just dip my little toothbrush into the gel, and then on these sides it'll be like a little frizzy. I'll just pull it up a little bit and literally just put gel right here and fix that part. I'm not even like doing it that much though today because I really am in a rush. I have to leave. So that's pretty much it. Okay, so that's pretty much how I'm gonna be looking today. Just plain simple, nothing exciting. This is Thursday. OMG. I am so upset right now. So I just pretty much filmed this little intro for today and I explained a lot. I was just talking about stuff and I was just updating you guys and telling you what's going to be happening, and I accidentally deleted it just now. Great. Well, yeah, I don't even know. I can't even know. Today's Friday, obviously, as you guys know. I'm in the middle of doing my hair, so I decided that today may be my last day. I'm rocking this little twist out because, as you guys can see, it's pretty much like it's done. Like, the twists are no longer twists. They're just like super stretched out and just, I don't know. And I've been like doing a lot of working out and running around and stuff like that throughout this week, and my hair's just not clean anymore, and it's like getting kind of gross, just a little bit. Yeah, and I'm about to be going over to my boyfriend's house, and I don't know, I just think that it's time to clean my hair. So maybe tomorrow I will clean it, and if not tomorrow, if I'm just feeling super lazy when it comes to my hair tomorrow, then definitely Sunday. I'm gonna be wearing it down today. It looks cute to me. And yeah, obviously I have more makeup on. I have makeup. I had to look pretty for my mans, okay? We may be going out tonight. Maybe not something big, just maybe going like skating or something. I don't know. But yeah, pretty much I just did everything that I've already done. I let my hair out, and then I slicked down this part. And then this part, I really wanted to wear it like out in the front, but it's like right here has a lot of gel buildup and it's getting gross. It's like a lot of gel flakes and stuff, and I just don't think I can get away with that. So maybe I'm thinking about just putting it back and just having a little, I don't know, we'll see. I think it would be so cute if I could just rock it like this, but it's just like, look, you guys can see that? That's just no. That's a no. I just did like the old school little bump. I definitely like it when it's like all the way down, but this may have to do. What do you think? So yeah, I think I'm gonna go with this. This looks good for right now, at least. Okay, so, oh my gosh, right as I say action, my camera battery flickers. But it is Saturday, and as you guys can see, just take a look for yourself. My hair looks jacked up. Like I thought, like I already said, I told you guys that today was probably going to be the last day, and today is definitely the last day. I will be co-washing my hair. It's been fun, but this like turning into a bird's nest. So yeah, so today we're gonna be going out. I don't have any time to co-wash. Well, really I don't feel like co-washing, so I'm just going to put my hair into a slick back pony, and that's gonna be it. Look at all this. This is like so gross, all this product buildup. And it's coming from this right here. Any of you guys use this? Let me know. And does it like flake a lot if you use too much of it? Because I wanted to try it on my full hair, but the fact that it's been already flaking, yeah, I don't know. We'll see. So I'm gonna try this. Let's hope that it doesn't make my hair all flaky and stuff, and hopefully this has a pretty good hold. It says the max hold is 10, so we gonna see. But this smells so good. Babe, I know you hear me calling him. Come here.
No, it doesn't smell good.
How do you know?
You talk loud.
I have to. Come smell this.
I can smell it from here.
No, you can't. Come here. You need to be on camera.
No.
No, come smell. You didn't even smell it.
Yep, it smells fantastic.
So this is like, I don't think the hold is the same with this, because this is more a smooth texture, and the other one is like more sticky or like more thick. I don't really know how to describe it, but it's kind of a little difficult to put my hair up. I do see shine though, that's good. What am I going away with it? Babe!
That's probably the only good song later on in the album.
Alright, so I had to go off camera because this gel is definitely not as thick as the other one. I do like it because it gives a lot of shine, but it took me forever to actually lay my hair down, and I don't even know if like it laid down completely. There may still be a few bumps. I would advise you, if you obviously want to have a really slicked down ponytail or bun, put your scarf on, but ain't nobody got time for that right now. I'm just gonna rock it like this. And if you guys want to see a more in-depth tutorial of this hairstyle, I do have it on my channel already. I'll put the link right here.
Jess, put that thing away.
I'm filming. I have to let them know. Alright, so today, you can barely even see. Okay, here we go. I just wanted to check back in with you guys just to close off this little series I've been doing. Today, as you guys can see, my hair is not in a twist out anymore. I co-washed it today, and I put some leave-in conditioner. And it just feels so weird having like co-washed hair, but I am very happy that my hair is like clean now and it's soft, because my hand is already getting tired. The twist out. Oh, by the way, I am wearing a shirt. I'm wearing like a bandeau, so I'm not naked. Yeah, the twist out turned out really good. It lasted for a good 5 to 6 days, so I'm pretty proud of myself. The only thing with the twist out is obviously you can't wash your hair, and I'm so used to like co-washing my hair at least twice a week, so that was different, but I did enjoy it and I did love the results, and I will definitely do it again. I'm really thinking about trying out a braid out or maybe flexi rods, whatever. I don't know, maybe we'll see. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know in the comments down below. And if you guys like this a week in my hair little concept series type of thing, then give this video a thumbs up. I think that's pretty much it. We're just gonna be chilling all day today, and that's why I have no makeup on, so excuse this face right now. Just
Hey.
Babe, let's go. Nah.
do you hear this annoyingness right now?
Let's go.
Alright, we're gonna go. We have to go
We're
run
going
to the
now.
store really
Bye.
quick. Okay, fine, bye.